Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning up my whole house, so hopefully this video can give you some cleaning motivation, and if your house needs clean too, then clean right along with me. Once our bedroom was cleaned, I cleaned our master bathroom and I used Method glass and surface cleaner and some Clorox wipes. After that, I cleaned up the boys' bedrooms, and the boys aren't quite sharing a bedroom yet. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I want the boys to eventually share Owen's room, and I have all of Kyle's clothes and toys moved into Owen's room, but they just aren't both sleeping in there quite yet. They're just not ready to sleep in the same room yet, hopefully in a couple of months. So all that's left in Kyle's room is just his bed. Then I got the hall bathroom cleaned using those same Clorox wipes and Method glass and surface cleaner. After that, I got the kitchen cleaned up. My hens have been laying so good lately. I have 5 hens and they've each been laying an egg a day, so we've been getting 5 eggs a day. So we definitely have no shortage of eggs in our house. Once the kitchen was cleaned up, the last room to get cleaned up was the living room, and the boys had made a pretty big mess with the blocks and the puzzles, and usually I make Kyle help me clean up any messes that he makes, but he was outside playing and he was having fun, and so I decided to just clean up the mess really quickly. And then lastly, I swept the kitchen floor and I vacuumed the living room carpets. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I will see you in next week's video. Bye!